Oh my, bloody surprised we survived that. That was tough out there. Oh, anyways, we're safe in here. Surprised I didn't get frostbite. Did you get frostbite? My dad bought me a shiny new record player in the back there. I think I'm gonna play some records on it right now. Help us cool down a little bit. Right. Ain't that nice, mate? Oi, you see my book over there? Yo, I called him the other day. Dad said we can't keep bugs, but oh, look at him. He fits perfectly into that little teacup over there. I've told Mum, you know, I've always wanted my own bug, but you know, they never really, for Christmas, you know, they always just put me cold and told me I was a bad child and I didn't deserve a bug. But now I've got a bug. Well, you and Susie, you know, probably date. Oh, you're already engaged? Wow. That's not surprising because it is the 50s. You know, I mean, you can see it on that teacup right there. It says 50s tea because, you know, the tea we drink is from the 50s. You know, mate, I think I don't know what I think, you know, like, some days I just think maybe I should just get lobotomy, you know? They still do that. They haven't banned it yet. Anyways, I thought that this was supposed to be a relaxing time, so, no need to talk about my feelings, you know. I don't have feelings. Well, I mean, I do. Everyone does. Except for people who get lobotomy. My mum recently contracted yellow fever. You know, it's real nice just being able to buy things from just a penny. Like, you know, a piece of bread. Just, you know, it's not a penny, but it's close to it. Things not being inflated is quite nice, ain't it? I wonder if things will just get better, eh? You know? You know, they say money always increases in price. Like, you know, like something worth 25 cents seems like them worth $1. You know, and I just think that maybe as time goes on, things will just become free. Wouldn't that be awesome? I think that'd be nice, wouldn't it, eh? Yeah. Yeah. So anyways, mate, how's your weekend been? Wow. So your life sucks? Sounds like it. You sound like a loser too. Bigger loser. Bigger loser than I am. You say it. I might say it. But I think really the biggest loser here is you. You know, I never really wanted to say it because, you know, I pity you, but I think it's time I finally told you. Just be straightforward with you. Be real honest here. I think you're the biggest loser in the goddamn world. I'm sorry, mate. I think you're an idiot. I think you don't know what you're doing with your life. I mean, you married Susan. You're already married to her. You didn't even get engaged. You just put a ring on it and called it a day. I get in the 50s, people got engaged real quick. I know. But you met her yesterday. I don't know how you marry someone that quickly. Did you even ask her parents for permission? Did you even ask your own parents?
Oh, now you're making me lose my accent.
We're all worried about you, mate. We just want you to be okay? We don't want you to make any rash decisions. Just looking out for you, mate. So, mate, what's your favorite thing to do, mate? Other than, get stuck in a snowstorm. Nice. Oh, I'll get that, My favorite thing to do is play records and play with my new bug. It's really all I could ask for in life right now. Getting stuck in a snowstorm with you hasn't been that bad, really. I think if there was anyone I'd rather get stuck in a snowstorm with, I think it'd be you. Definitely not my dad, definitely not my mum. And all the other mates kind of suck ass. So, gotta give it to you, mate. You're great company. My pa's falling asleep, so just stating it. Anyways, I think it's time we called for help. Yeah, I don't know. Could we even call for help? I don't even know if my house has a phone, because phones are expensive or something. Got something expensive.